Hey guys, it's Kay. I'm going to show you how I pack going on a cruise with my infant and toddler. It's a lot of things that I like to take, not everything you may need. I am one of those moms who likes to be prepared for everything. So see what you need, see what's the extra stuff, maybe something that you didn't think about. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so this is the snacks that we're going to be packing. Take it with us, I've already packed them. So this is cups. There's some baby food in here. I'm also taking a gallon of water. Keep in mind, if you do not take these things with you, they are not going to be on the ship. I also have Pampers, little swimmers. I have buckets for the beach. That's just a detangler brush here, wipes, and formula. All right, so I want to make sure that I tell you that make sure you take the formula as well as the Pampers and wipes as a carry-on. I'm looking that way, as a carry-on, because you don't want to. You want to make sure those items do not get lost. All right, so let's start with the baby. I also have them have little backpacks, and their backpacks just have little things in it like a couple toys, a blanket, bathing suit a piece, and I think they have like a sun hat or something in there. And that's for them to carry on so that if they want to swim when we get on the ship, they have their bathing suits right there. All right, so the baby does have like a little cover up. I have washcloths. I have little things, the little diapers for your shoulder. Also, if anybody can find, because washcloths, I have soap and everything, of course, baby soap. If anybody knows where I can find, they used to have these in a box. They used to be Huggies, and they were like disposable washcloths that had like the shampoo and baby wash embedded in them. And all you had to do was put in the water and it would activate it. They were the most, oh my God, they were awesome. But I couldn't find any. I haven't been able to find them since Kalena was little and she's 11. So. All right, so for outfits, this is just a 4-day cruise. So I do have plenty of onesies in here. I have probably way more than I need. She's going to sleep in these, as well as if she has like an accident or if she just wants to be comfortable, to have those. I have a cute pair of sandals. I don't know where the other one is, but it's here. We have bibs, because you're going to need plenty of those. And I think outfits, I was really only planning on taking like 6 or 7. That's where I have the extra onesies, but I definitely overdid it in outfits. So she probably has about 8 or 9 in here of outfits, and it's only 4 days. We also have bathing suits. Keep in mind, babies that are not potty trained or toddlers that are not potty trained cannot do the water play on the ship. So these are for the beach, for her to lounge in. I also have a blow up plastic tub for her to play in while the other kids are in the water park. I'm going to fill it with water so she can have that to play in. Also, it'll be good for bath time. I'll show you what that looks like. These outfits, I told you I packed too many. And I do have a couple sleepers in here, socks, little sleepers. And then a couple little things for her to wear to dinner, like a little tutu, little dress that has like little bottoms to it, and things like that. So that is for her. I'm going to put all of these in a packing cube. Not going to do it now. I just wanted to show you what I have. But I am definitely going to put them in the packing cube. So all I have to do is when I get there, take the whole packing cube out, put it in the closet, and I'm unpacked. Same thing when it's time to repack. Boom, done. So the opposite side is gonna be my 2-year-olds. So that was my 7-month-old stuff that I just showed you. My 2-year-old's gonna have, I do have one of these little things for her. And that's just a little rash guard. She has a few little outfits as well. She probably has probably about the same, probably about 7 or 8 are in here. A couple little bathing suits. Oh, there's a shoe to the baby stuff. All right, and These are just more outfits. She has a few dinner things as well in here. Let's see. Bathing suits. She has a cover up too. Sleep. These are only what, I think for her I only want one of the long ones because I don't want her to get too hot. I did find a onesie. She's 2, so it's kind of hard sometimes to find onesies, but I did find one. I found this that I love. It was on Amazon. It is the cutest little thing. Look. And it just ties behind her neck. I'm probably going to put a little shirt under it. And then that's it for her for the clothes. Oh, she has this as well. Little dinner outfits in here. And then just some loungewear. So I have about 2 sleepwear things, 6 or 7 outfits, about 3 bathing suits. Now we also have dinnerwear that we have matching outfits. So those I combine into one packing cube for each thing. We also take, because we're going to go the day before, so we're staying in a hotel. What we do is we put everybody's clothes in one overnight bag. That way we only have to take that bag as well as like our toiletries bag in the hotel. Everybody doesn't have to unpack all their luggage. So that's a good tip. Now I'm going to put her stuff in packing cubes as well. And now I can show you the extra stuff that we have. All right, these are the shoes that we are taking with us. These are just for nighttime, kind of everyday swim shoes, and these just a little pair for the baby. Pair of Pumas flip-flops for every day, and then those for every day. They all fit in this little bag. All of them. Also, these are the girls' travel bags. This is my baby's, my 7-month-old's. Her name's on that one. This is my 2-year-old's. Her name is on the strap here. Because like I said, there's just toys in here, little things like that. I do have, oh, I didn't show you guys this. For the cribs, they do not have crib sheets, so I am taking a crib sheet with me. I have this, so the baby can put, we can put fresh fruit in it there for the baby, so she can nibble on that and not choke. And she has a sun hat and a bathing suit. We're taking this with this on. We're not going to check these in. Keelan is definitely going to have her Kindle in there. We're going to put that in her bag. But she has like a blanket in there. She has her spoons. The baby spoons are here. They're going to go in her bag as well. I do have meds here that were actually prescribed for in case they get motion sickness. We don't know. This is their first cruise. Little baby goggles. And she has a little spoon set here. And then we also have, which is the cutest thing ever in life. So I'm going to have to show you. Okay. So first thing is this. Yes, I got it for a discounted price. But anyway, so this is just a little step stool for my 2-year-old to be able to brush her teeth and everything on her own, because she's really independent. And she can wash her own hands too. Next, oh, since we're talking about the bathroom, I will bring this up. This little guy here is a portable potty. So it is for your potty seat for the baby. And then you just fold it back down. Oh wait, it goes like this. There you go. And it goes back in this little case. Next, I have this little thing here. This is what we travel with. It just has little medicines in here, allergy medicine, fever and pain medicine. Then I have a little soap. I have a little thing of lotion. I also do have baby sunscreen. It's just in a different bag. And then clippers and dispensers and things like that. And this little thing, then for this is for the bottles. We're going to take one throwaway bottle, which is just like a bottle that we get from like, you know, Dollar Tree has a cute little Mickey or Minnie one. So we just got one of those so we can take it to the beach, doesn't matter. Then we have the cool Pop Yum ones. Let me get one of those and show you what they look like. All right, so these are the Pop Yum bottles. What happens is the formula goes here at the top and the nipple. Water goes at the bottom, and there's a little tab that separates them. Well, when you're ready to mix the bottle for the baby, see that little dial there? I don't know if you can see it, but you push it. It's one on each side. You push it, and then you just shake it, and it mixes the two together. And there's your baby bottle. So we'll take these as well. So we're gonna take 2 Pop Yum bottles. We're gonna take 2 small bottles for juice, and then a throwaway bottle, like I said, and then probably 1 or 2 bigger bottles too. Then this is for the beach. This is one of those things that you put the baby in, and it has like the canopy so she can float. It's just a floaty. We also have floaties for the bigger kids too. This is for Keelan. This is for my toddler. That was for the baby. This is for the toddler. She can get in this if she wants to kind of swim more independently because she can't quite swim yet. And then we also have just a regular life vest for her as well. We're also taking her Kindle. The baby has one too because she likes to hit things on it. And also for the beach. This was very cool, I thought. So these just pop out. It's a little hard for me right now just because I hurt my wrist, but they have little buckets. And then little things, a little shovel. And then there's 3 of them. It was a set of 3 off Amazon. I think they were like $15 or $16. They weren't, you know, crazy expensive. And then they just kind of stack, which was cool. So that is that. And then another thing that I see people ask about a lot of times, so this doubles as a travel car seat, as well as a high chair for the dining room. They do have them in the dining room. I'm not sure if they have them on like private islands and things like that, but it folds down very easily, and then you can just use this part here to kind of put on your shoulder. So yeah, that's pretty cool. If I have some other little gadgets and gizmos, but these were the coolest things that I wanted to take, so I wanted to show you those. The other things are just, like I said, I have an inflatable tub that's gonna double for the room for her to take a bath, for the little ones to take, the 2 little ones to take a bath, as well as them to play in the water park. I think that's about all the good stuff. So if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Also, if you have anything to add that maybe I did not say I'm taking, of course I'm taking like hygienic things like toothbrushes. I have chewies for the baby. I also have little teething things that melt in her mouth, things like that. So all the normal things too. But like I said, this is to clean the bottles with. There's a little thing of dishwashing liquid in there. We'll probably clean cups with those as well, because we usually take cups, taking 2 sippy cups for the 2-year-old. One has a straw. It's one of the tumblers to keep things cold on the islands when we go. So this is my 2-year-old's snorkel set. These are little shoes. And how cute is that? She walks around the house all the time, so she can actually use them for the beach. This is her first time to the beach, so it's gonna be awesome. We also are taking a cooler so we can keep drinks cold as well when we get on the island. If you have any questions, please let me know. Please like and subscribe. Also, I am a travel agent, so if you have any questions there as well, I'll leave my info down in the description. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.